Welcome, this is Neco year 2019 English test of oral past question number 22. So we are still using the same instruction to answer this question. We are looking out for an option that has the same consonant sound as in the given word, and particularly the underlying letter. The given word here is pronounced as measure. It is transcribed as this: measure. Vowel number 12. The option A, it is pronounced as badge. Badge. Option B is pronounced as base. A Option C is pronounced as Jenny. Option D is pronounced as maize. Option E is pronounced as seize. So the correct option here is option B, because option B has the same vowel sound as in the given word. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.